welcome to Sydney, local time 10 past 8. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until Captain Clark has turned off the seatbelt sign. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch it off flight mode. However, your seatbelts, they must remain fastened. This evening, disembarkation, we will be using the forward and the rear left-hand doors. If you are disembarking via the rear, you will be using stairs, so please hold on to the handrails and follow directions given to you by staff for a safe passage into the terminal. Please do not use your mobile phones while on the tarmac, and smoking is strictly prohibited as you disembark the aircraft and throughout the airport building. Do take care when opening overhead lockers just in case any items have moved around during the flight, and remember to check your seat pocket for any personal belongings. Please ensure that you have taken with you any used or unused face wipes or masks. And on behalf of Captain Clark and your Sydney-based cabin crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us this evening. Certainly has been a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you when you next choose to travel.